Hello and welcome to my first ever video log, and in this video I'll be reviewing the kinda rare HD DVD drive for the Xbox 360. As you can see, it's already unboxed and placed on top of the console. I'll just give you a quick view what's inside the box. First of all, let me tell you that I got this cheap, as you can see here, for around 50 bucks. I just couldn't pass the offer. It comes with the drive and the free movie. So let me just open it up for you to see. The package is quite nice actually. Everything's already unboxed, just the CD, which you need to use only once to install the drivers, and you're ready to go. Comes with this booklet, not the mini instruction manual. It's actually easy to set up, just hook it up and you're ready to go after you install the drivers. What is great about this thing is it comes on remote, so you don't have to go and buy it. Now I know that this is a universal remote and you can buy it separately, but it's great to have it free with the drive. It's actually decent if you look at it. You get your clear view. Yeah, it's a nice little piece of hardware, nicely done and everything. Now the picture of the drive itself, it's like a mini Xbox with the HD DVD logo. As you can see, it fits perfectly on top of the Xbox. I wouldn't place it on top while I game, to be exact, as I'm not sure, but I just don't like the idea of something on top of my Xbox when I'm gaming, as it generates a lot of heat. But it's up to you if you want to place it or not. Now let me show you the DVDs, 1 second. As you can see, this is the free DVD that comes, free HD DVD that comes with the console, and it's very similar to the Blu-ray package. Awesome movie, by the way, which I'll be reviewing in my other video. If you look at them, they're both similar, even inside. But it's not a bad thing, as the package is nicely done, in my opinion. 1 second. Just open it here. Notice the HD DVD logo. And this is what looks inside it. Doesn't come with the booklet. The HD DVD King Kong. Let me show you the back of the package. This is the back of the package. The quality is noticeably higher of the DVD, which is of course why they call it HD DVD. But when comparing to the Blu-ray, it's kinda similar. At least what I saw. But there are not so many great movies released. There are a few nice movies made for the HD DVD, such as King Kong itself, Evil Dead 3, and Doom, to name a few, but the Blu-ray versions of those movies are superior. So if you find them cheap or something, you just might get them for the collection. But if you're a dedicated movie fan, just go for the Blu-ray version. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next videos. Thanks again. Final note, it's great from collector's point of view, but if you're a normal consumer, you might just skip to the Blu-ray version. Thanks for watching. Requests, comments, question or anything else are more than welcomed. See you in my next videos.